Stop scrolling. We have critical new intel surfacing regarding the DJI Pocket 4, and if you were waiting for this camera, you need to hear this right now. As the title screams, the launch is officially delayed. Again. We are getting this raw from trusted sources in photos and the new camera, and while it's not official yet, it paints a sharp picture of exactly what DJI is stalling for behind the scenes. We already knew the Pocket 4 Pro was gunning for a dual camera setup. That's old news. But here's the major red flag. There is still nitrogen monoxide FCC certification for the Pro model. That is a massive tell. It means the product is nowhere near release ready. The Pocket 4 Pro exists, it is in development, but do not expect it anytime soon. Here is where it gets chaotic. The standard DJI Osmo Pocket 4, model OP041, actually secured FCC approval way back in late 2025, beating the regulatory buzzer. It is cleared for sale in the US right now, but the Pro? It needs its own certification if it has different radios or body design. Without that paperwork, launching in the US is impossible unless they pull a miracle shared certification, which is extremely risky. Let's talk dates because they are slipping fast. December, missed. January, gone. The cause? It's not even the camera. Reports are screaming that critical accessory failures are holding up the entire launch. The new target? We are looking at February at the earliest, and even that is not locked in. Honestly, this isn't a disaster, it's calculated. DJI is pumping the brakes to ensure hardware, software, and accessories don't crash and burn on day one. They are refusing to force a broken product out the door. And if you thought we were getting a surprise January drop? Think again. DJI just dropped a teaser for January 15th, and it is not the Pocket. The tagline implies dominating the main position. All signs point to the Ronin RS5. Better battery? Yes. Smarter tracking? Yes. Pocket 4? No. Put it all together. The Pocket 4 is delayed but coming. The Pro model is MIA and stuck in certification hell. And January belongs to Ronin. If you want the Pocket, you have no choice but to wait. Peace.